dogs? 4. Okay, next. How many gorilla can you see? 5. Pwede na mag-kinder. Sige. Next. How many apple can you see? Without S.
Jacob.
Only? Only? Okay, so what is the color of apple? Huh? Yes. Okay, next. How many fish can you see? Yeah.
Six.
How many? How many? 6. Okay. For our first activity, kumuha ng color red and pencil.